Alright, hello everybody. Today we are in Corona, California at an Eagle Glen Mobil station. That's what it's called. We have my second ever and a really rare machine, Ryko Softgloss MAXX 3. I already went inside and bought the touchless option for $12 because I really wanted to see a touchless option on this thing. And it has Mark 7 dryers, so I'm curious if it's replaced a Mark 7 system at some point. Hopefully this one works, because these things are famous for breaking down, the MAXX 3s. There's a look at the options. I just bought the $12 premium, and it comes in touch-free automatically. Even though it says it does both, cashier told me that it's automatically touch-free if you buy the 12. If you want to see a friction Ryko Softgloss MAXX 3, then check out the one I filmed in Escondido. Anyway, code is 129180.
Thank you. You have purchased the Works Wash, our best wash. You may enter the wash when it is available.
Alright, let's do it.
The wash is now...
Hopefully this thing works. The arch kind of reminds me of an Istabal. So the only major issue I'm seeing with the touch-free cycle is that the turbo nozzles on the sides are not spinning or pulsating. Probably because they're all clogged up is my guess. know what? All things considered, I'm actually surprised how decently that worked given the MAXX 3's reputation in the business. Although it's touch-free, so it still ain't perfect, it certainly did a lot better than the 360 I just filmed prior. It's still got some stuff left over, but I mean, you can't expect much from can't expect perfection from a touch-free. Well, anyway, I actually am going to go ahead and top off my gas and buy the $15 Ultimate Wash, because I really want to see the color wave system work, because I saw it had it. But for now, that's the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and thank you to Southerner again for finding this. I really appreciate it. And that's it.